Hey, what's going on, everybody? It is Greg Luther, and thanks for joining us on today's very quick training, actually. We are doing extremely well today, other than one thing. I've got a sick house. If you've ever had kids that are sick before and you want to help them out, but you don't want to touch anything and that type of thing, that's a bit of an issue, right? So I'm trying not to get sick. I've got some travel I'm doing. I'm going to Texas in a couple of days, and I do not want to get sick. So, as you can see by the title here, we're going to talk a little bit about two ads that are working extremely well for us. There's two that are just crushing it on Facebook right now. If you're on Facebook, if you're doing some advertising on Facebook, you're probably making a good bit of money if you're going about it the right way. If you're not doing it, or if you're doing it wrong, of course, you're not making money. So we're going to talk about that a little bit today, and here's why. Because agents generally come to me, they're doing well in business, but they want to pick up more business. They want to pick up more buyers and sellers and get clients that they've never worked with in the past, right? Cold traffic that's never worked with them, so they're not dependent on past clients, referrals, that type of thing. We just recently did a training called the Generate and Convert Conference, which showed agents exactly how to do that on Facebook, and the reports are unbelievable for how well they're doing. I was actually just looking here, leads being generated at $1.87 a piece. Let me see here, $2.16 a piece. Averaging 21 leads a day. So that is some very, very good results. I'm going to tell you about two ads and two offers really that are working well. So you want to write these down because I think it'll be helpful for you. But generating those leads at $1.87 or a little bit higher is phenomenal, especially if these people are ready. Now, a couple of things to think about, and we talked about this in the training as well, is Facebook Marketplace is free for you to advertise on. It doesn't cost you any money. You can do that today, do it on your own, and it doesn't cost you any money at all. So that's a big benefit in itself. Here's the advantage with it. It's kind of like Facebook's version of Craigslist. So if you think about Craigslist, somebody has to go to your state, then your city, then click on homes for sale. That means these people are shopping. They want to buy a house. So that's a good quality lead. So Facebook Marketplace is the same way. They have to go to your area and then they have to click that they're looking for a home for sale. If you have a good offer there, you get the lead. We've got agents that were in that room. If you've already got the recordings to the Generate and Convert conference, you've seen the recordings. Agents in the room already generating 5-6 closings a month from free marketing, let alone the stuff they're doing for paid at $5 a day, $10 a day, whatever the case is. So, by the way, if you don't have those recordings, you need to get it. They are available right now. You can go to luthercall.com. Again, that's luthercall.com. You'll see a little preview, and I'll show you a couple of ads, that type of thing. If one of you is watching, you can type that in the scroll bar here. Since I'm using my phone, I can't type. But anyway, back to what we were talking about, the two ads that are working well. I want you to write these down. The first offer that's working extremely well for us is sell your home for $10,000 more than it's worth, or more than it's currently worth. Well, how does that work? How can I sell my home for $10,000 more than it's worth right now? Well, there's a lot of stuff you can do to a home, right? You can declutter, you can get rid of the nasty carpet, you can paint the purple walls, you can get rid of the avocado appliances, that always helps, right? So those are things that a professional real estate agent, yourself, can show them that they can increase the value of their home by over $10,000. Now, here's the reason we started doing this. We've always generated a lot of leads when we say, find out how much your home is worth. We'll give you a free home value, find out what your home is worth. But the problem is when you call them, they're like, oh, I didn't know somebody would call me, and I thought this was just a computer thing. We're not looking to sell anytime soon. So they were very standoffish. When we switched to say, by contacting us, we can have a licensed real estate professional take a free tour of your home. Takes about 15 minutes. We'll give you totally free advice to show you how you can increase the value of your home by over $10,000. Now, when you get that lead, they're anticipating you calling. They're like, yeah, when can you come out? You're going to give me a free assessment. There's no obligation, right? I don't need to sign anything. Heck yeah, come on out. So that's a big advantage there to do that. So that's a really good offer that's working well. And the second offer that's working well is in the list selects. And we talk about this in the Generate and Convert conference. In the list selects, or the ad sets that you can choose families that are expecting a baby, pregnant. So what that means is if they live in a 3-bedroom house now and they already have 2 kids, well, when the baby comes, the two kids got to share a room, so the baby has their own room, and they're not happy about that. So if you have a good ad that shows them, hey, is your family growing? Your house should be growing too. Did you know that you may be able to get into a 4-bedroom home for the same or less monthly payment than you're paying right now? So it's somebody going through a life change, which creates a housing need change. That's working very well too. So obviously when you're marketing on Facebook, you can choose who you want to expose that ad to. And one of those that you can choose is people that are expecting parents. They're pregnant right now. They're expecting to have a baby soon. So we can market directly to them. That's another good one that's working extremely well for us. So that's 2 awesome ads that I think you'll find valuable for you. When you run that ad, or those ads, I should say, and you're generating the leads, they're anticipating you calling them. They want to speak with a real estate agent. Big difference compared to most of the crap we get. Unfortunately, the term lead is way overused. You can see I got my lunch drink here. The term lead is way overused. As an example, Zillow will sell you leads. Here's what it is. They swiped the contact's information and they're selling it to 6 realtors. That's not a lead. That's sold contact information. That lead is not anticipating you calling them. They don't want to talk to you. They don't know what you're offering. That's not a lead. That's swiped contact info that they're distributing to other people. So what I'm talking about is when you're running these ads, very cost effective. Keep in mind, $5 a day, 30 days a month, that's $150 a month. And for $5 a day, you can be going out on appointment after appointment after appointment with people that are looking to buy and sell. So that's why the Generate and Convert conference had done so well, and the agents that were in the room that learned how this works. The vast majority of them are like, man, I barely have a Facebook account. I don't even know how to run ads. Do I use my personal page? Do I use my business page? What do I say? What do I do when I get the lead? We covered it all in that full day training. So you can get more info on that if you want. Check it out, luthercall.com. In the meantime, send me some vitamin C and some echinacea and some airborne and some hospital mask and anything you could do so I don't get sick. I've got to go to Texas here in about 48 hours. So I'm hoping I get through this stuff. You know how it is when you're in a sick house. So hopefully my immune system is strong enough to fight that stuff off. And we'll have a profitable week next week. So hopefully that's helpful for you. Try those 2 ads out. I think you're going to be impressed with the results that you get. If you need some help with it, reach out. Let me know. I'm here to help you. But I think you'll find, I mean, with these agents, again, $1.87. Here's one here, $2.13. Here's one, $2.46. So they're generating leads at $2 a piece, and they want to talk to you. That is a game changer for real estate agents. So hopefully that's helpful for you. Go out there and make some money this weekend. I want you to have a profitable weekend. Reach out. Let me know how I can help you. As always, you know how to email me, Google me, call me, hit me up here, whatever I can do to help you grow your business. It's going to be well worth my time. So we'll plan on talking to you soon. Until then, go out and sell some houses. Try these 2 ads and let me know how it works. Hit me back. Let me know how it works. The advantage with Facebook, if you run the ads today, you got leads today. So you can tell me tomorrow how it worked out for you. Hopefully that's helpful. We'll talk to you soon. Bye-bye for now. Hey, I hope you enjoyed that video, and listen, we've got a lot more information for you to help you with growing your real estate business. We load new videos nearly every day, and I want you to have access. So you got to do 2 important things. It's both totally free. Number 1, I want you to subscribe to this channel. You'll see the little subscribe button for you to click. If you don't have an account with YouTube, set it up. It's totally free. You got to subscribe to this channel. And the most important factor, you got to ring the bell. Right next to that subscribe button, you'll see a little bell to turn on notifications. That will let you know every time I load a new money-making video to help you with growing your real estate business. Subscribe and make sure you ring the bell. We'll see you in the next video.